watch. So what's going on with this name? So today 1.7%, decent day, overall market. Jerome Powell was today on, and market pretty much went up, closed higher. And if you look at the Google, it's pretty much in this range. So I'm watching for either side. Basically, if it slips 23.50, I mean, if it goes above 23.50, I do think that it has a potential to run up all the way to 2,500, 25.40. You can see this yellow line right here on my chart, which is a 50-day simple moving average. So definitely we can have a run if overall market pretty much squeezes higher. That's the potential I'm watching. But for more of a like, if you look at it, this 2,500 was a support. To be more safe, if it does start running, that's my pretty much target for Google. And I don't have a position, by the way, and I'm just watching it to the upside. And also one of the indicators I use for more of a short-term trade is 5-day moving average. This blue line on my chart represents 5-day moving average. Whenever stock is above 5-day, I watch it to the upside. And you can see for the past 3 days, this blue line, 5-day simple moving average, has been acting as a support. And even today, it did bounce off of these levels. So let's see if it does break 23.50, 23.60. And also, I didn't see much of a option activity today. You can see that volume is not significantly high. So people are still cautious, right? So 21,000 calls were traded and 13,000 puts were traded. It's by no means option market is bullish, but if it does break out, you will see volume come in. And again, it's not a financial advice. In this channel, I do make sometimes on overvalued stocks, maybe a 1-2 months outlook, but on these kind of big blue chip names, of course I do believe in these companies long term, but at these levels, at these volatile market conditions, you have to be pretty nimble with your trades. If you're trading, okay, if you're trying to navigate your portfolio, well, you got to talk to someone who is more calm and who is more, I don't know, used to moving big sums of money, and who understands how to scale in, scale out long term. But this is not the channel about those stuff. So most of my videos are basically from traders' perspective. Okay, so that's what I'm watching. I do think that if you look at the S&P 500 as well, let's take a look at the SPY. SPY did a pretty decent bounce already. It has bounced very nicely from the bottom. So let's say, what is it? From 385 at the moment. SPY, I'm looking at SPY, 6%. And a couple days ago, Michael Burry was saying that when stock market came down in 2000, 2008, it had many 10 plus percent rallies on the way down. So if we see, let's say, if you think that, well, 10% would be not bad if S&P 500 bounces, considering many stocks are oversold, especially tech sector. 10% would put S&P 500 somewhere around 4,200, 4,230, something like that. So we still have a bit of a room and maybe touch that 50-day moving average. But yeah, that's what I'm watching. I don't want to make this video too long. We'll see what happens. We'll definitely update it. But I'm watching. I'm biased. I don't have a position. I'm watching Google to the upside from those levels if it does break out. If it does break out down, then I'll definitely make another update video. But for now, it's looking like it's in a consolidation zone. So let's see which way it does get out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.